Look what Miss Linda has. It looks like a birdie nest. And what's inside the birdie nest? We're looking for our mommy. Where could she be? Are you my mommy? Are you our mommy? No, that's a banana. That's not their mommy. Well, what about you? Are you our mommy? I am not your mommy. I am a monkey. Oh, what about you? Are you our mommy? I'm not your mommy. I am a turtle, and I live in a pond, and I swim in the puddles. Oh, wait, I see. Are you our mommy? I'm not your mommy, but you sure are cute. Oh, wow, look. Are you our mommy? No, that is a sand bucket. That is not your mommy. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can find their mommy for them. Where could she be? Let me look. Come here. Come here. Are you our mommy, Scooter? Scooter, are you our mommy? Scooter's not your mommy. Scooter's a boy, and Scooter's a doggy. Uh-oh, I think Scooter found your mommy. Hold on. Where's your mommy? Scooter, did you find their mommy? She flew on your back. Who is it? I'm your mommy. I came back. I had to get you something to eat. Oh, mommy. They love their mommy. And now they're going to go night-night, and mommy's going to sit on their nest and keep them nice and warm. Mommies always take care of us. That's why we love our mommies. Happy Mommy's Day. You need to tell your mommy Happy Mommy's Day. Bye-bye.